exercise. In this exercise, we are going to design a 3D text modeling. To do this, first we have to add a plane. From add mesh plane. So the plane will be added. Then you can scale this plane by pressing S on the keyboard and extend it towards whatever the size you needed. And to add a text like this, first go to add text. A text will be along the Z axis like this. So you can rotate this text by pressing R on the keyboard. So then you can rotate it. So I want to rotate it in X direction. So I press X so that it will be rotated in X direction. I have to rotate it by 90 degrees. So I press 90 on my keyboard. So we will get a text like this. To edit like a text like this, we can switch on to object mode to edit mode. Then a cursor will be appearing and you can edit it with whatever name you want. I have made it as welcome. In this I have used two and again add another text by using the similar options. Repeat this step. Why? Since I have added two texts like this, because a first text is here, a second text is here. I have added this two because this will be as a main text and this will be our lightning source. To do this, first I have set my main text and I have changed my properties as extrude 0.150 so that it gives a face of 3D modeling text. Then I made this depth value as 0.05 in a bevel object, and to make some spaces between each letter I have set the offset to minus 0.03. So it's all done, and I have changed this material in as main word, and I have made the surface as glass PDF so that it looks like a glass when we render it. And I give some color for it, and I have set this roughness to 0.2 so that it gives us perfect shape. And for this lightning source, I have just added as light source and surface as emission, and I have increased the strength of the emission. These two texts will be in different positions, so we have to align it in such a way that it just overlaps the main text by adjusting the arrow. I have positioned it like just below, just backside of the main text, so that when the rendering it just emits the light surface clearly. I have made this and I have set this plane as surface as mix shader, and mix shader has two different shaders. So first I have set as diffuse BSGF and I have set a color to it, and second one is glossy BSGF and I have set a roughness to it. And to position the camera, you can move it by using X, Y, Z directions. I have to rotate this camera so that it looks like from a front view. I have rotated by pressing R on the keyboard, and I have rotated along 45 degree by pressing 45 on the keyboard so that it looks like a projection from front. So moving to camera view by pressing 0 on the keyboard, you can lock the camera view by pressing N on the keyboard and clicking on the checkbox lock camera view, and you can press it again the dialog box will be disappeared. Then the camera will be locked and you can position it to whatever size you want. And this feels better. I have made it, and I have also changed the background color of our screen. Generally the background color in Blender is gray color. I have set it to white color by using the world node and changing the color here. So once all is done, I will click on rendering. So finally our rendered image looks like this. The background color is white and the plane has a blue color, and this has a glass effect of red color. So finally our 3D text modeling is done. Thank you.